Question 11. A company produces metal badges to be worn by its employees. The badge is made up of two parts. One part is in the shape of a sector of a circle as shown in the diagram. Part A. The perimeter of the sector is decorated with a coloured edging strip. Calculate the length the edging strip needed to decorate the sector. So we want to know the perimeter around the shape. Okay, so we need to work out this length here. So this is part of the circumference. So we're going to work out the circumference of this portion of the circle. So the formula for circumference is pi times diameter, or pi times 2 times radius. Okay, but because we only want this portion, we're going to do 50 out of the 360 degrees multiplied by pi multiplied by 10, because that's what the diameter would be. So I can put this in my calculator. 50 over 360 times by pi times by 10. And I get the answer of 4.36 centimetres. So the total perimeter is 4.36 plus 5 because we need these two edges here as well. So it gives me a total of 14.36 centimetres. Part B then. The other part is in the shape of a quarter circle of radius 3 centimetres. So we've got this diagram here. So to make the badge, the two pieces are joined together with the sector in front of the quarter circle as shown in the diagram. The badge has a vertical line of symmetry. The visible surface of the front of this badge is to be painted. Calculate the area that is to be painted. So what I would do is, I would be working out the area of this one, the area of this one, and the area of this one. Because we know this is 50 here, we know these are 5 from the other diagram. Okay, this part here is the quarter circle. So we know that this angle here is 90 degrees. So I know that each of these is 20 because it needs to add up to 90. These are 3 centimetres. So I'm going to work out the area of each sector separately. So I've got 1, 2, 3. Obviously, 2 and 3 are going to be identical, so I just need to double it. So area of sector 1, so it's going to be 50 over 360 times by pi times by the radius squared. 50 over 360 times by pi times by 5 squared. So I get the answer of 10.91 centimetres squared. Right, and let's do the area of sector 2 and 3. So this time it's going to be 20 out of 360 times by pi times by 3 squared. So I'm just going to amend this one. Change that to a 3 and change that to 20. So it gives me 1.57 centimetres squared. I need to times that by 2 because I've got 2 of them. So let's times it by 2, times by 2. So it's actually pi on its own, so it's 3.14 centimetres squared. So the total surface area is equal to 10.91 plus the 3.14. 10.91 plus 3.14, and it gives me 14.05 centimetres